Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. Got a simple tip. The key fob for my Ford F150 is giving me this message when I climb in with it. Thought I'd quickly show you how to change the battery just in case you're having second guesses. So the first thing you do, this is a phony tab here. There's a little tab in here that will push in, and that allows you to remove the key. Then there's a little slot up here right there, and sometimes you can get your fingernail under it, or you might use a quarter or something for leverage. You can see that's starting to pop up. This badge part right here is a cover, and once you get the top loose, you have to pull pretty hard, and every time I do this I'm afraid I'm going to break it, but don't be afraid. You got to really get your fingers in there and pry. There it is, and it's snapped off like so, and that exposes the battery. For this particular fob, it takes battery size 2450. I seem to remember it was a 3-volt lithium. This battery is not particularly easy to find where I live. I'd hunted around for a while to find one locally sourced, and Walmart happens to carry them, and I've got a Walmart not terribly far from me, so I picked them up there. This particular packaging, you can't possibly get it apart on your own. You need to cut it. Particular button cell is in a little plastic bubble thing that's impossible to tear. Get that out. Again, this particular button cell, it's got a texture up here. I thought that was plastic, but that's actually part of the battery on this one. Put that aside. To get this out, there's a couple little tabs that are holding it in. I find a narrow blade of a pocket knife. Can often get under the corner and just pry it up like so. The old cell comes out. New cell, you slide it in like so. Press it in gently. That looks good. And then this part, you line it up, snap it in place, sort of the opposite of how you unsnapped it. Put the bottom in first, and press it together, and then this piece just slides in and latches like so, and there she is all together. The only thing to do now is to go back out to the vehicle and make sure you don't get that nasty warning. And I come into the truck and I get no warning, so it's all good. Well, that's all I got. Thanks for coming by. Quick and easy, but hey, if you've never done it, it might be a little intimidating. I know the first few times I've done this, it scared me. So, as always, thanks for coming by. Like, subscribe. Stay safe, take care, and check me out on the next one.